Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers, and welcome to our channel where it's everything flowers, creative fun projects, and decorating ideas. So please subscribe and hit that little bell icon to catch the latest video when it goes live. Today, I'm so excited because it's all about joy and happiness and brightness and positivity. We are making a baby's breath rainbow tree. I know. So we're using painted baby's breath to add color to the tree. And you can do this on a real tree, a fake tree, on a tinsel tree. It also looks good on a flock tree. By the way, if you need to know how to make a flock tree, we have the most incredible video, and check the top corner and it'll be up there. Special thanks to Bill Duran for always providing us beautiful stuff. Today they loaded me up on baby's breath. I think this was 20 bunches. Thank you, Bill Duran Company. You're amazing. So today, here's all our materials. So we have all this baby's breath. We're gonna use some spray paint. I have special spray paint for flowers. And we made some garlands. We have some ribbons and disco balls and star balloon weights for the tippy top. We used Million Star Baby's Breath. It's the kind that's a little bit smaller. It has like a tiny, small little flower. And then we just spray painted it, and this particular spray paint is Design Master, and it comes in lots of different kinds. You don't have to use this. This is special paint for flowers, but you can actually go to any big box hardware store or your Ace Hardware and get any kind of spray paint. This is just good for flowers, but we opened up the bunches and kind of sprayed in between, and you'll see that I sprayed in a garbage can outside, so go ahead and use a well-ventilated space. We got these fun garlands, and if you're still Christmas shopping, these garlands are on sale at Michael's for $5. So they will add, especially in the red section, they will add like a big pop of just kaboom, right? And then we have these little ribbon garlands that we made. And for this tree, we didn't have any ornaments. Like, we kind of have a few kind of birdies. So, and that's it. But if you have some leftover ornaments that are in the color of the rainbow, you're welcome to use that. And then we have like ribbon scraps everywhere. So we made this really cool garland. This is sequin ribbon. It's a little bit tangled, so bear with me. We just tied little pieces of ribbon. So you just get like an arm length of ribbon, right? Or however long, and then you have a little section like this. You can fold it over, and you can do it kind of, we had an easy way and a hard way. The easy way is just to make a loop, and you kind of pull it out. You can make these with contrasting different kinds of ribbon. This is the same ribbon, or you can use like tassels look really cool. I know rainbows are so awesome. We've learned so much about rainbows. The Greeks and the Romans believed that rainbows were the bridge between heaven and earth for the gods. I know, pretty intense, right? And Earth is the only planet in our solar system capable of creating rainbows. I know, it's kind of intense. And this is the one I didn't like. You can never get to the end of the rainbow, like there's no pot of gold. I know, it's kind of like you're never gonna win the lottery, right? No two people see the exact same rainbow. Its precise shape, the arc, and the width of its color bands will be slightly different according to the eye of the beholder. So that kind of sums up life, right? Everything is a little objective, right? And what, of course, I love rainbows for is it is the symbol for LGBT and pride. The various colors have come to reflect diversity and the unity of that community. Okay, it's red time. Okay, first up, red baby's breath. So I'm gonna cut this, since it's the tippy top, I'm gonna cut it to about 12 inches. And I'm gonna hand little bundles to my buddy. This is a 9-foot tree, and so we kind of figured out the math, and we're gonna do about 2 feet, approximately 2 feet of each color. So we're gonna, start out saturated red, saturated orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple at the bottom. So just keep in mind for the bottom, you actually need more plant material just because it's whiter. So, you know, we kind of have a lot of red stuff, so it might be pretty red up there, but we'll see what it turns out to be. And I can't wait to finish this. It's gonna be so fun. And maybe Oprah will want her tree like this. Quick tips is you really need to shove it in the tree and kind of open it up. So see how he's pulling the bunches? Because otherwise it gets kind of gloppy. Yeah, it's like a big bunch. We kind of pared it down and did more of a minimalist with the baby's breath only with the mirror ball at the top, and it looks amazing. So now we're gonna add some glamour and glitz and see if we like this version or what's next to come, that version. Okay, dingle balls. Please notice that we are only decorating the front of this tree because it's going in the window. And this was a little bit twisted, but this is this cool sequin ribbon, and we thought that it would have some reflective qualities. Got it? He doesn't have it. It's easy to kind of fuss with it. So this is with all the frosting. And I'm so sorry, we forgot to add the disco balls. We are gonna gate this thing up. So what do you think? We have version number 1, which was plain. Number 2, all the fixings, and number 3, fixings with disco balls. So you vote, which do you like the best? Anyway, this tree is happy and beautiful. It's gay, very proud, yeah, and fun. Anyway, thanks again for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and we love you so much. Thank you.